Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel, Math Appetite with Sire. This time we're going to discuss on, no just kidding. So we will not discuss anything about math. We just have a break for that. So we will have just show you my backyard garden in our house. So first we are going to have this first stop. We have here our plant at home, the pandan, which has a scientific name of Pandanus amarylifolius. And also have here the lemon, uh, um, scientific name citrus lemon. Then we also here, beside the lemon, we also here the compost pile. So it is covered with sacks because to have the worms easily compose the um, dried plants. And we also have here the calamansi. And then here we have here the kangkong, the scientific name Ipomea aquatica. So we have here, so the kangkong is, the seeds of kangkong is taken from the DA, Department of Agriculture office. So we just have a request for the seeds, and then that's it. Next we have here the okra. So the scientific name Abelmochos esculentis. So what we have observed here, so many weeds under the okra. So we did not pick that out because one of the speaker in the one of the seminar I attended in DA, in Department of Agriculture, said that those weeds add or will help produce nitrogen for the plants. So we have also here the pepino, the Cucumis sativos, the scientific name. So we have also here, so they have many fruits here. So some of the fruits here are being sold in our small store in the house. So there are lots of pepino here. So this pepino is good for salad. So just to make a salad pepino, you just add some uh, vinegar, small amount of vinegar, and add some sugar in it. Then it is ready to eat. Okay. So we have also here a sayuti plant. So we have the scientific name Sikium ideoli. So this sayuti is being planted here in the compost pile, one of my compost pile, to in order for the sayuti to grow uh, and have a nutrients. So we have also here the pichay, the brassica rapa, the scientific name of the pichay. So we can look at that pichay. So since we have uh, less amount of area for planting, so there's tendency that no more distancing in my pichay. We have also here some spring onions, and we also here lemongrass, okay, used for making soap. And we also here the calabo, sa organum vulgare, used to cure our some respiratory ailments. When we experience some cough, we used to use the calabo or the oregano. Okay, that's all for my garden, guys. I hope you enjoy it.